I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies using just cocoa powder. This easy method ensures a rich, fudgy treat every time. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of flour, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Don't forget 3/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A 9 by 13 inch pan is also key. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, let's start mixing. First, melt your butter and combine it with the sugar in a large bowl. Next, whisk in the eggs one by one, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, sift together the cocoa powder, flour, and salt. Gently fold these dry ingredients into your wet mixture until everything is just combined. Remember, do not overmix for the best texture. With your batter perfectly mixed, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with parchment paper, ensuring some overhang for easy removal later. Carefully pour the rich brownie batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. The hardest part is waiting, but proper cooling is crucial for perfect brownies. Let them cool completely in the pan on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This patience ensures a wonderfully fudgy texture and makes them much easier to cut. Once cooled, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the entire slab of brownies from the pan. Now, cut them into 24 delicious squares and share your amazing homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.